Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a gamer or if you have a machine that has an Nvidia GPU or graphics processing unit, the new Nvidia drivers were released earlier today, but quickly removed from the download. So if you were thinking of checking for updates, there's a bug in the software, and that bug means that your fans are running at a extremely high speed all the time. So this is a problem that they are going to fix before re-releasing the new NVIDIA game ready drivers. What NVIDIA says is if you have downloaded the latest drivers and have fan issues, in the NVIDIA driver panel, you have three little dots that you can click. And there you can roll back to the previous driver so that you won't have that problem for now. So like I said, the downloads have been removed. So right now, if you check for drivers, it will say that you're up to date. And they are going to re-release it when the bugs are fixed. So it seems that fan issues. So if your fans are going crazy right now, maybe your PC has updated to the new drivers and you need to roll them back for now. This is NVIDIA only. So hopefully things are going to get patched as soon as possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.